For this project you'll need a battery, an elastic band, 45 centimeters of copper wire, 2 safety pins, piece of blue tack and a magnet. Start by wrapping approximately 5 turns of wire around the battery. Leave about 4 or 5 centimeters of wire at each end and wrap this around to hold the coil in place as shown here. This length of wire will also form the axle on which your coil will spin. Balance the coil by adjusting the little wire up and down as shown here, so that it spins fairly easily in your hand. This can be adjusted again later. Straighten the axles as best as you can, and next we're going to have to pare away some of the insulation that's on the wire. On one end, strip all of the insulation you can off the wire. So using scissors, scrape away the varnish that's covering the wire. At the other end, only scrape away the varnish from the top of the wire, i.e. The top aligned with, say, the vertical plane of the coil. You can scrape the sides as well, but not the bottom. So scrape the top and sides of one end, whereas the other end, all of the varnish is removed. Next, place an elastic band around the battery as shown. The elastic band will be used to hold our safety pins in place. The safety pins can now be put in behind the elastic band and adjusted till they are approximately centered with the battery. Do this at both ends of the battery. The safety pins will carry the electricity to your coil. Make sure to use metal safety pins. Safety pins with plastic coverings or the like will not work. Place the magnet onto the battery. It should attach to the battery magnetically, but if not, use a bit of blue tack to hold it in place. Next, place the coil with its axles between the holes or the eyes of the safety pins. Adjust, turn the little end that remains in a bit to hold the coil in place. The coil should now spin when given a turn. A piece of blue tack can be used to hold the battery in place. Now see how long your motor keeps spinning for. Ask yourself what energy conversions are taking place in this motor.